Oh, it was fabulous. It was just the remedy I needed. You could tell by my smile.
And I've enjoyed the show.
I thought it was a very joyful way to spend an hour on a Tuesday evening. It was delightful.
I thought it was really good.
I thought it was beautiful and uplifting and funny and joyous and a delight.
Oh, it has been great.
Funny, unhinged and unforgettable.
The script I thought was great. I thought it was beautifully staged. I thought the music was wonderful, and I thought they all worked together as a really great ensemble.
It was magic to watch it.
The cast looked like they were really enjoying themselves, which really came across to us as well. And it was beautifully crafted, and the energy and action was just graceful and funny and light, and it was really, really good show. Really funny.
Fantastic.
Just perfect farce.